day in Kaohsiung. I feel like I've had the same hairstyle for like weeks now, but it's just because it's so hot and like it's so hard to care. Today we're spending another day in Kaohsiung and we're starting off the day at the Dream Mall, which is like this really big mall. Does it have any record, like the
I think it's like
mall?
the biggest mall in like East Asia or like in Asia.
Oh wow. He really likes to shop, so we're gonna go shopping.
Expose me? No, you'd exposed me.
At the Dream Mall. It's our first meal of the day. We woke up a little late, but we're gonna eat. This is seasonal vegetables, and then
yeah, it's Thai, but I don't know how to say that in English.
With garlic, and then this is what they call dao xiao mian, but. What are you up to?
I should put in some tokens and drive this around. Bye. I have more. I can take more rides on this.
I can't take you anywhere.
I think walking would be faster.
No, for sure. I literally have to wait for you.
I'm so embarrassed. I think maybe it's coded that you can't leave a certain area.
Oh, really?
Like,
Bye. Hello, we're pretty much done with the Dream Mall. It's also pretty late into the day. It's like almost 6 now. It was cool. It was really big. Earlier I think we said it was like the biggest mall in East Asia, but it's actually like the 15th biggest. But
it used to be the biggest.
It used to be the biggest, right? They honestly had a lot of brands that we didn't recognize, slash like we weren't sure what they were, so we didn't get too much, but it was fun checking it out. And then now we're gonna head to a vinyl store, and the vinyl store is pretty close to the mall too. Vinyl store. It was a pretty bougie place, kind of expensive to be honest. So now we're at IKEA because we really like shopping for like home stuff. This is when you know you're getting old. You start shopping for home stuff. This is my favorite bear from IKEA. But the boyfriend won't let me get it.
Okay. We do not need another.
He's the rational mind in this relationship right now.
Real calm boyfriend.
Crazy girlfriend. He's so cute. on our way back to our hotel. It's been a very long day. We started the day off with shopping at the Dream Mall, and then we also went to like a vinyl store, and then we went to IKEA and Costco, and like we just grabbed some like essentials that we needed. But our day is finally coming to an end, and we're probably just gonna go eat dinner, probably at like a convenience store, like a 7-Eleven or something. We don't really want to like bother with figuring out food, especially when it's so hot out. It is literally so hot. Like both of us are so sticky. You're sticky, right?
Yes.
Super sticky.
I'm literally so like moist.
Yeah, it's super sticky, and then like I just look like an egg. Like it's just not good. And so we're gonna go eat at a convenience store, and then that's probably gonna be it. That's
Maybe
our
a night
night.
market.
Maybe a night market?
Yeah,
We'll see. But Taiwan has been so hot the last few days. We kind of had like a good like week or two where it was like very cool and like nice out, but it is turning into a very hot place to be, and it's very unpleasant, to be honest. This is low-key why I didn't really like being in Taiwan in the past when I was younger, just because it was just so hot. But gonna go eat now. The boyfriend got some scallion pancakes. They're like spicy flavored. Did you like them?
Yeah, they're really good. I'm not finished yet.
Yeah.
But my nose started watering.
Yeah, so we had to look for tissues, but food has been good. And then I got some sweet potato balls. I've honestly been sleeping on these for so long. Like I didn't like them for the longest time, but now I love them. So
You've had them like 4 or 5 times since we got to Taiwan.
yeah, I love them. They're really good. Everybody should give them a try. But yay, night market.